In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Leadpages, a process that takes just about 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to streamline your appointment scheduling or integrate your business tools for a smoother workflow, this guide will simplify the entire process. We'll begin by heading over to your Calendly account. Here, you'll need to find the link for the event you wish to embed. This event link is crucial, as it's what you'll use to connect Calendly to your Leadpages page. It essentially acts as a bridge between the two platforms, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your scheduling into your landing page. Next, open your preferred browser and search for Leadpages. Once you locate the correct link, click through to access the platform. You'll want to log in with your credentials. If you're new to Leadpages, you might need to sign up and create an account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you should be greeted with the user interface that displays all your pages and tools. Now it's time to navigate to the Leadpages editor for the specific page where you plan to add your Calendly event. Scroll through your options and find the page you're looking to enhance. The editor is user-friendly, but if you're unfamiliar with web page editing, take a moment to explore the various tools available to you. In the Widgets section of the editor, you'll see an array of different options you can incorporate into your page. Look for the Calendly Embed widget. This handy tool is designed specifically for integrating Calendly into your Leadpages pages. Once you've located it, simply drag and drop it onto your chosen page. It's just that easy, and in doing so, you're already halfway through the integration process. After placing the widget, you'll need to customize it by pasting your previously copied Calendly link into the widget's settings. This step is vital, as it links directly to your Calendly event, ensuring that visitors to your page can schedule appointments effortlessly. Once you've done that, click the Save button to ensure your changes are applied. This action embeds your scheduling page onto your site, making it accessible for all visitors who might wish to book an appointment. And that's it. Your Calendly is now successfully connected to your Leadpages landing page. This integration not only helps in providing a smoother user experience, but also aids in enhancing your professional presence online. By following these simple steps, you can now efficiently manage your bookings right from your web page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process seamless and straightforward for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.